Good morning, American Medical family. Today we're going to demonstrate how to change columns on your Inogen G3. For starters, you're going to need the tool that comes with it, the two columns inside, and most importantly, the manual, especially to do the last step on the repair. So for starters, we're going to use our tool. We're going to want to have our unit on a flat surface. So what we're going to want to do, there's a lever at the bottom of the machine here that you're going to have to depress while also using your tool in conjunction. So you're going to depress the button here, and there's going to be a small gap within the machine where you can leverage the lever and in turn pop out the column. So the same idea applies for both sides. Depress the lever here, insert the tool, pop out the column. So most importantly, what to do here, you're going to take off the caps on the two columns and insert them just as you took them out. You want to hear that it clicks behind, and that's how you know they're fully locked in. So now that they're locked in, the last step to do is to plug your machine into the AC power supply. Take your instruction booklet. On the back of it is the most important piece. The machine must be off when doing this. So while it's off, insert the power supply. You hear it recognize the power supply, and then you're going to follow the last step, which is to give the machine the Sieve reset. So in order to do that, you are going to press and hold the light bulb button for about 10 seconds. You're looking for the words Sieve reset. Once you see those words, you're going to press and release the bell button once. It's going to say Sieve reset success. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and power on your unit. And once you've completed that step, the change column procedure is over. Keep us in touch if you ever have any questions. We're always happy to help you. Thank you.